How to fix Gmail notification not showing in Android mobile. First, open Setting. Open Apps. Open Manage Apps or App Management. Open Gmail. Open Storage. Enable background data. Now your problem should be fixed. Step 2. Turn off power saving mode and do bot disturb. Step 3. Open Gmail app. Open Settings. Open General Settings. Open Manage Notification. Make sure it was enabled. If it was disabled, just enabled it. Step 4. Go back to Setting and click on your Gmail account. Select All. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.